Hello, everyone. Dr. Jenn here, wanting to share with you why this experience, why F.L.I.A, especially since it's the first annual. And the best thing I can say, the honest thing I can say, is because you're called to do it. I was called to create this event. And I know from my past experience that when I'm called to do something, I show up and do it, and it pays off. And that's what I'm inviting you to do with this F.L.I.A experience. Of course, we know that the world has been changing. We have been through this pandemic, and that we have an opportunity and a choice to how we show up and create our life and experience moving forward. F.L.I.A, fun, loving, intentional adventure, is more than a phrase. It's an energy that flows, and it's part of a larger energy field that is expansive and unlimited. Now, you add others into that energy field, and we create a resonance, a synergy that opens up possibilities and opportunities that may not be available to us individually in this moment. And that's one of the things that I love about group events. That energy then creates a momentum that's easier for us as individuals to sustain. Now, one of the things that I think is imperative is that we know and trust ourselves to be able to take care of ourselves. And I mean by being able to listen and understand and respond to our inner wisdom. And F.L.I.A, the fun, loving, intentional adventure, provides a foundation and a framework that offers structure while also offering freedom to create and live our lives in a way that's fun, loving, intentional, and an adventure. F.L.I.A guides us, or guides me certainly, and others that I've worked with, to be proactive and responsive versus reactive and defensive. It allows versatility and flexibility, comparing it to a jet ski or a speedboat versus a cruise ship. It allows us to make changes and go with the flow in a way that maybe historically we haven't been able to. So I invite you to join us on our fun-loving, intentional adventure as we create and live it. Thank you.